Right, so to finish the new update look, we're going to put a new grill on. This is the easiest part of the whole day.
Isle Rosehaven, homesteading.
You have 4 screws on top and 1 under there. Pull that off, that comes off, boom. See ya!
Boom!
And the new one just goes right in.
Oh. Oh, looking like a little bit of sexiness.
So when it comes, it's got holes, just line up your holes, put your screws in.
Was that easy peasy lemon squeezy?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yes. Means I could do that?
Even you can do this.
Oh, yes!
Okay, just don't over tighten the screws.
Oh, there's that.
obviously.
There's that. There's that. Five screws.
One down here. There's the hole.
Is that what he said?
Look at that.
Ready? Oh, wait, is this one? Oh, snap.
Ooh.
Oh.
What did we miss?
Well, that's the side that you bumped. So I wonder if that kind of went in.
Sticking out. Oh, not really on that side. So look, that's the deer hit side. Let's make sure or not.
Is there any you can kind of adjust it a little bit?
Okay, that was the easiest part until it wasn't. So let's take it up, see if we can see what's going on.
Well, it is Monday. I mean, you know, it is Monday.
Okay.
What is it? Nope.
Listen, got little legs there. I don't have one here, that's why.
Oh, it's
See
missing.
that little tab that goes in? This one is not there.
Oh, it's missing. It's
So,
really. This is like the second time, so it needs a tab.
it'll be alright.
No, it will not be all right.
It'll be alright.
It's not gonna.
Putting it on.
No, babe, it's not gonna be all right.
It'll be just fine.
It isn't.
We'll
It's not
fix
fine.
it later.
No,
We'll
there's
find
no
out.
fixing it.
It's just got to buy the piece behind it.
No. Oh, This is the second time with this company.
No. This is fine. It's the bit on the truck that got broken by the deer. It's missing.
Oh, so we gotta find another. Oh, okay. Well, but can you take that off so you can show, please? I didn't see it. Can you take it off? You only have
Oh
one
my
screw.
gosh, Lee.
What? Show it.
Okay,
Show
look.
it because it's not. So it's not the bumper.
See, tab, little leg,
Oh.
little leg. That whole thing's gone.
Oh, so
So-
you have to replace this housing
Replace
then?
whatever this is, I guess.
This little. That's
Thing.
that's the whole freaking grill thing.
Unless it's that part of the.
That's part of the headlight.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Anyway, there you
Oh,
go. That's
snap.
what it is.
And the stick. Okay.
So,
All right. So it's not the grill.
no, it feels fine.
Thank God.
And yes, the first one we got was broken, but they changed it without a problem.
No, without a problem. Yeah.
So that's good.
That's what I was about to say. What? No. Because I'm having issues right now. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it.
Issues.
I'm not going to talk about it.
So there you go, peoples.
A new grill. Install. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. It's done.
So one thing, as I will reiterate, is that extendable magnet, a most useful tool when doing this job. The amount of times you drop stuff. There. Boom.
Ready? And that's the grill. That's the new headlight set. Oh, put the hood down. Put the hood down. Let's see what's up. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. That's not closing now. Is it because the mesh went up?
Huh?
Put the mesh back where it belongs?
No.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
What?
Very important. Put everything back where they belong, then you won't have issues. Closing your hood.
Okay, everything good? Everything good?
I don't know. Look at that. It's sexy and it knows it. Gonna turn on the lights? Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Ooh.
Lights. Main lights.
Those are the main lights?
High beam.
That's high beam? Yeah, I think we might have to change the high beams, babe. We might have to put the LEDs in. They look dope. They look really, really cool, though. Yes? 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 And look, oh, those are nice. Ooh. That's kind of sexy looking. Ooh, look at him. You got a little bit of a facelift. What's up? There you go.
Not bad, Dad. All right.
So.
Thanks, people. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe, share. We do all kinds of ridiculous things like this.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Yes.
Y'all come back to Wild Rose Haven where we're doing it out.